Did you know that your stomach growls when you're hungry? The sound known as borborygmi happens when your digestive system is active, even when it's empty. As your body prepares for the next meal, contractions occur, creating those distinct gurgling noises. As your body senses that it's time to eat it, signals your brain, which can lead to more intense feelings of hunger. This can make your stomach rumble even louder, as it's not just a sign of emptiness, but also an indication that your digestive system is ready for food. The sound of your stomach growling can also be triggered by the aroma of food, even before you've taken a bite. This response is part of your body's way of preparing itself for digestion, making you more aware of your appetite.